The journey. 3 young men who made a boat out of trash cans. All right.
You guys, this is not fun.
They're whiny.
Dad, come on.
They are men. Well, not really, but you know.
Here we are practicing in Miss Linda's pond.
Yeah, it's full.
There's their boat, and now they're practicing to see if it'll float in Miss Linda's pond. And they forgot their paddles at our house. So now we have to go get them. They made this from scratch.
It's almost like the last one they made.
Chris throwing in their paddles. This is Trevor, Eric, and Logan. Their latest invention.
What's the garbage can for?
Huh?
What is the garbage can for?
For added float.
Okay.
Alright. Here we go. Backwards. 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 Turn around. Backwards. Work together.
The Love Boat.
Back to toe.
It's almost like an episode of Survivor, but not really. Trevor, what are you, like the union representative?
I have a paddle. It's over there though. Alright, dude.
Hey, look, by the way, you're pulling the wrong way.
Yeah. Next to government.
Trevor, you been working out?
Yeah, definitely. Check out my lap.
Your what? Your lap?
My love handles.
Oh.
I know, I'm joking.
Arg. All right, again.
Trevor.
Arg!
Jake, stop it.
Arg, you matey. Arg! Y'all are some sad pirates.
We're not pirates, we're
Oh.
They're
old rest adventurers.
Oh, okay. Well, you old adventurers, get out the trailer so we can pull it forward so I can hook my truck to it.
I just want to jump in that water.
The raging river.
You guys don't want to? What?
Hello, Elisa.
Yeah, can we go swimming in it? No.
No.
Oh.
I am.
We can't, Tommy.
They've got to get that way down there.
I wish y'all could make it.
The dilemma.
Can y'all bring that rope
How to
over?
How about I get right
this
there?
boat.
How about this? I get over there.
Yeah.
How about we just pull it, slide it down? Check us out. I'll get over there. You guys throw it down and I'll jump on it. And
Like a big
paddle.
surfboard?
Exactly.
There you go. You can try that.
Definitely sarcastic, I'm pretty sure. No, most of it was pretty much completely serious.
Yeah, right.
Just the 3 of them. No. Yes, baby.
We can do this.
They're all old enough and they have
You guys want me on this side or what?
Watch, watch.
Oh, snake. Snake. I hate snakes.
Where?
Look behind you.
No.
Look, right here.
Where?
Look his hand.
Where? Right there.
Right behind him, look.
What?
A snake.
Actually, I don't see it. I don't either.
Yeah, he's trying to get to the bank.
Who has a cell phone?
Nobody. Dad told me not to bring it.
Well,
How are we gonna know when
Get on
to
and I'll
come
push
get you?
yeah.
I'm just gonna go.
Get you, Chris.
I'll go down there.
Get in the middle or something.
A cell phone won't do him any good.
Yes, it will.
Bon voyage.
Bon voyage.
Ow.
Y'all cuckoo.
I would go swimming. Pedals.
5:40.
Handmade pedals.
38 minutes. No sign of the kids. The entire waiting for them at the bridge. Should be seeing them rounding the corner at any minute.
I think
We're still waiting.
What?
Still waiting for them.
Hello.
43 minutes. See, their boatsmanship is not great. That's why it's been an hour and a half. Probably worn out. Still got to get that boat out of the water. It's a great outdoors, man. How long have y'all been out there?
Where are we gonna dock up? It looks less steep right there, actually.
Man, dude, you're slow.
No, right there? Yeah. It looks less steep than those rocks. Why?
Stroke! Stroke! Looks like the front guy's the only one paddling.
Dad,
Hey,
a fish jumped in our boat.
really?
Yeah.
How big?
Y'all kept him?
No, it scared us. It jumped right here. Get in it. It jumped like it hit itself on that board.
There's a mullet?
Right here. We lost one of our paddles. The good one. I know what we're talking about.
Look, I knew you. We need
Not
that
new
extra.
Y'all brought an extra paddle?
Yeah?
Well, that was very smart of y'all.
Dad, you heard? I made it, and I said y'all gonna need an extra paddle. They go, no, we're not. But
Oh, that's good, Ty.
I made them take it.
Only a little way left to go.
No, no.
I'm also dry, dude. Come on, dude.
They're horrible paddlers.
Yeah, they pretty stink.
It's better than this rock.
But hey.
And
Hey, I got one question. Would a canoe have been easier?
What?
Would a canoe have been easier?
You should buy us all one.
But not as much fun, huh?
Yeah, that looks much fun. That would have been great. It goes up so slowly.
2. All right. Interview with the
Chicken
boatman.
Bob.
How was it, fellas?
Tough one. Strenuous. Thirsty.
It was fun for about the first 20 minutes.
I've got permanent
And then the rest was struggle.
back problems. I hope it goes away when I sleep.
Nope.
You may have to go to the chiropractor. Hey, by the way, I'm an amateur chiropractor.
Chicken Bob.
Alright.
Get that video
There's the boat.
camera out my
It's probably the
face.
first and the last voyage. Kind of like the Titanic, except it didn't sink. All right. Say bye.
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 Bye, Chicken Bob.